Welcome to IGNOU. In this video, we are discussing the MSc Statistics and Data Analytics course. My name is Priyanshu Jain, and before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of courses, consulting. If you have any doubt related to the other course and anything, so you can directly contact us on our WhatsApp number, and we take only a very minimum amount for consulting. Now, let us begin. Okay, so in this one that you can see here. First one, the program details is given here, which is the duration 2 years, which is 4 semesters course. This program is brewing the scientists by provoking the doing by yourself approach using various statistical tools and techniques. So this program details are only this is the 2 years course, and for the more about it, you can click here. Now placement is there are the you can see the rankings and the accreditations in the placement. And now the curriculum is foundation and core courses, so you will see here the first year courses that you will study, and the second year also. Now the fourth one is fees. Let us talk about the fees. The program per semester fees is 50,000 rupees only, and this is the scholarship amount per semester 50,000 rupees. This is absolutely 100% of the so applicable fee after scholarship, so nil. So if you get a scholarship, you will be paying only zero amount for this pay. And if you got this category A, so you will get a 70% of the programming fee. 55% of the program fee, 27,500. So these are the basic criteria given here. If you are achieving these things like 95% or all in graduation, so 70%, uh, and if you are getting a 95% in the 12th or in the so 55% fees, deducting fees in the fees. Similarly, LB analysis for more than or equal to C category, or 80% or 90%. So there are some criteria is given here, and extra amount is examination fees, which is 4,500 per semester, and uniform fee, which is a 4,000 one time only, and other external cost like admission and etc. fees is. Now the third is for fifth one is a scholarship. Scholarship, you can see scholarship on the basis of percentage qualifying exam. So we have already discussed about the scholarships. How will you get these scholarships? Now how to apply for? Simply you have to just sign up, just take admission. The second step, third one is apply for the LPU Nest. This is the LPU Nest is a exam. After enrolling this exam, you will get a scholarship if you score more than the criteria. And the step 4, this is the book the exam slot and an appear. So this is the finally you will get a slot, exam slot, and finally you will appear there for the exam. After getting the rank, you will get the admission. And important dates is given here. So last date for admission is 20th May. So you can enroll in this course. This is the last date for this course, and after that your exam will be held according to the date. Thank you so much. If you have other queries related to the anything, so you can contact us anytime. We will provide all the information accordingly. Thank you so much.